about integers. So far we are conversant with only two types of numbers. One is a natural number and one is a whole number. In this chapter we shall extend our number system from whole numbers to integers. Children, we know that in numbers a smaller whole number can be subtracted from a larger one and then we get a whole number. For example, 5 minus 3. We get a whole number 2. So, a smaller whole number can be subtracted from a larger one, then we get a whole number. Now tell me, what about 3 minus 5, 11 minus 16 or 8 minus 13? Can we get a whole number here? No, there is no whole number to represent them. So, there is a need to extend our number system from whole numbers to integers. Children, we know that minus 1 and 1 are opposites of each other, or minus 2 and 2 are also opposites of each other. Take any number and their opposites are always each other. Now, what are integers? Integers are nothing but it is the collection of whole numbers and their negatives, and it is represented by I or Z. It is the collection of whole numbers and their negatives. These numbers are called positive integers and these numbers are called negative integers. What about 0? 0 is neither positive nor a negative integers. See the representation of integers on the number line. First, draw a line and mark a point on the middle of it and we call it as 0. On the right of 0, we label it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. On the left of 0, we label it as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Remember, minus 1 and 1 are at equal distances but they are opposites of each other. And as we go on right side, we get a greater numbers and we go on left side, we get a smaller numbers. For example, see 3 is greater than 1. That means 3 is to the right of 1. If I say 1 is greater than 0, 1 is to the right of 0. For example, see 0 is greater than minus 1. That means 0 is to the right of minus 1. Children, 0 is less than every positive integers and 0 is greater than every negative integers. Now let us see the addition of integers. Here we will get 3 cases. One is when you are having both positive integers, and second one when you are having both negative integers, and third one is when you are having both negative and positive integers. Let us see one by one. First we will take both positive integers. For example, plus 7 plus 10. Here you are having both positive integers. In this case, you should add the numbers and put positive 7. Okay, 7 plus 10 is 17 and put positive 7. Next is 13 plus 13 plus 15. Here also we are having both positive integers. You should add the numbers. 13 plus 15 is plus minus 22. Here also we are having both negative integers. First add the numbers. 28 plus 22 is 50 and put negative sign. The third case is when you are having one positive and one negative integers. For example, minus 17 plus 5. So here we are having one is negative and one is positive integer. In this case, you should subtract the number and put greater number sign. Okay. 17 minus 5 is 12. Then put greater number sign. Here greater number is 17 and it is having sign minus. Let us take one more example. Minus 25 plus 3. So here also one is negative and one is positive. You should subtract the number and put greater number sign. The greater number is 25 and it is having the sign minus. And one more example. 18 plus minus 11. So here also one is positive integer and one is negative integer. Subtract the number and put greater number sign. Here 18 is greater number and it is having the sign plus. So put positive sign. I hope you have understood the addition of integers and practice more and more examples. Now let us discuss about some properties of addition of integers. First is closure property. Closure property says that the sum of two integers is always an integer. Okay, let us prove this by taking some examples. Okay, the sum of two integers is always an integer. Take any two integers. I'll take minus 3 and plus 5. Minus 3 and plus 5 are integers. Then the sum of two integers is, okay, when you are having one positive and one negative integers, you should subtract the number and put greater number sign. Okay, you get a plus 2. Plus 2 is also an integer, so it holds. So closure property holds under addition of integers. The second is commutative property. Commutative property says that if A and B are any two integers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. So here A and B are integers. Take any two integers and take A is equal to minus 9 and B is equal to plus 5. And A plus B is A is minus 9 and B is plus 5. Minus 9 and plus 5. Here you are having one negative and one positive. positive integers, you should subtract the number and put greater number sign. So 9 is greater number and it is having the sign minus. B plus A. B is 5 and plus A is minus 9. So 5 plus minus 9, different signs, subtract the number and put greater number sign. So you get both the sides equal. That means commutative property holds under addition of integers. Next is associative property. Associative property states that if A, B, C are any three integers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus the bracket B plus C. Let us take some examples to prove this, okay? And take A is equal to minus 3, B is equal to plus 4 and C is equal to minus 2. Okay, first we will prove left hand side. That is A plus B plus C. A is minus 3 plus B is plus 4 and plus C is minus 2. So here you are having both negative and positive integer and subtract the number and put greater number sign. Plus minus 2. Okay, plus 1 and minus 2 is subtract the number and put greater number sign. 2 is greater here and you get left hand side as minus 1. Okay, now let us do right hand side. That is A plus B plus C. A is minus 3 plus B is equal to plus 4. C is minus 2. So minus 3, first solve the bracket. Plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Then minus 3 plus 2 is subtract the number and put greater number sign. So here also you get minus 1. So A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That means associative property holds under addition of integers. If A is any integer, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Okay. Take any integer, minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. Then minus 5 plus 0 is equal to minus 5. 0 plus A is minus 5. 0 plus minus 5 is also minus 5 and minus 5 plus 0 is also minus 5. So 0 is called the additive identity. So 0 is the additive identity. Let us discuss about subtraction of integers. I will tell you the simple method to subtract the numbers. So first let us take some examples. Minus 5 minus 7. First convert subtraction of integers into addition of integers. Write the first number as it is and convert subtraction of integers into addition of integers. Then change the second number sign or write the opposites of second number. So second number is minus 7. The opposites of minus 7 is plus 7. Now same as addition of integers. One is having negative and one is having positive integers. Subtract the number and put greater numbers. Clear? Next, we shall take one more example. Plus 10 minus 2. First, write the first number as it is integers, add the number and put positive sign. See the properties of integers over subtraction. First is closure property. Closure property states that the subtraction of integers is always an integer. Okay, let us see some example. Plus 5 minus 20. So while subtracting, write the first number as it is and then convert subtraction of integers into addition of integers and write the opposites of second number. Then you get this is same as addition of integers, and you have both positive integers, add the number and put positive sign. So 25 is also an integer. So closure property holds under subtraction. The second property is commutative property. Let us see it holds or not. Commutative property says that a minus b is equal to b minus a, where a and b are integers. Okay, I take a is equal to 6 and b is equal to minus 4. Okay, then a minus b is equal to b minus a, where a minus a is 6 minus 4. Okay, 6, convert this sign into plus and write the opposites of second number. So you get 6 plus 4 is 10. Then we will see the right hand side. B is minus 4 and A is 6. So write the first number as it is and write the opposites of second number. So minus 4, minus 6, add the number and put negative sign. So left hand side is 10 and right hand side is minus 10. Both the sign is not equal. Children, I hope you have understood